Would you stay healthy by taking vitamins every day, but never eating real food? Before we continue, like, follow, and subscribe to get practical tips on landscape management. Would this empty plate keep you healthy? That's exactly what happens when landscapes rely on synthetic fertilizers for years. Synthetic fertilizers provide nutrients quickly, but they don't feed the soil itself. Over time, beneficial microbes decline, and the soil becomes dependent on constant fertilizer applications. Think of it this way. Vitamins and supplements can help a person, but they can never replace a balanced diet of real food. In the same way, synthetic fertilizers provide nutrients, but organic matter is the real food that keeps soil alive. Compost helps rebuild soil structure, increase microbial activity, improve water retention, and reduce long-term fertilizer requirements. This means healthier plants, lower replacement costs, fewer fertilizer applications, reduced water consumption, and more sustainable maintenance budgets. Feed the soil, not just the plant. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthier landscape and lower long-term costs. Subscribe to Practical Landscape Ops for more informative contents like this.